3, 2, 1.
Which item is not typically found on a school desk? The answer is C, tape measure. What is the name of the colonel who is in command according to the scenarios in Gears of War? The answer is B, Hoffman. Which philosopher is known for his paradox of the liar? The answer is B, Plato. Sound is the transfer of energy from a vibrating object in waves that travel through what? The answer is B, matter. Electromagnetic radiation behaves like particles as well as what? The answer is C, waves. Which number comes next in a Fibonacci sequence, 0, 1, 1? The answer is D, 3. Who composed Swan Lake? The answer is D, Tchaikovsky. What medical term defines the fear of eating? The answer is A, phagophobia. What is the name of SpongeBob's workplace? The answer is B, the Krusty Krab. Which structure is not a Roman archetype? The answer is D, ribbed vault. During the day, what type of energy is transferred from the air over the land to the air over the water? The answer is B, thermal. What is the speed at which information travels in a copper wire? The answer is B, 6.7 x 10^8 m/s. What types of stimuli control endocrine activity? The answer is B, chemical and neural. In modern non-rigid airships, what gas replaced the explosive hydrogen gas used in past airships? The answer is B, helium. Which fruit has the highest vitamin C content per serving? The answer is D, orange. You throw it out yet it comes back each time. What is it? The answer is B, dart. A shade of which color is the so-called June bud color? The answer is A, green. Which generation of a plant is generally larger and longer-lived? The answer is D, dominant generation. When was Butterfly McQueen born? The answer is A, 1/7/1911. What help should you use for disposing hazardous products? The answer is C. Guidelines on label. What is a toaster primarily used for? The answer is C. Baking bread. How many electrons can be accommodated in the first electron shell's orbital? The answer is A. 2. What British schooner was discovered in 1840 with the bodies on board preserved by the Antarctic cold? The answer is B. Jenny. What do convergent plate boundaries with trenches have? The answer is A. Volcanoes. What three things does the religious concept of the Trinity represent? The answer is B. Creator, Protector, and Destructor. What was the first children's book to be #1 on the New York Times bestseller list? The answer is C. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Which city is the capital of Belgium? The answer is A. Brussels. Who won the UEFA Champions League in 2018? The answer is C. Liverpool. What ocean has the highest average temperature? The answer is B. Atlantic. What is the marketing slogan of Kodak? The answer is B. Share moments, share life. Who became the godfather of David and Victoria Beckham's sons Brooklyn and Romeo? The answer is D. Elton John. The exorcist must feel as free of sin as possible. What? The answer is C. So demons cannot easily possess the exorcist. How are the life cycles of a ladybug and a frog similar? The answer is B. The young hatch from eggs in both cycles. What is the name of Thornton's bodyguard/driver in the classic film Back to School? The answer is B. Lou. Who developed the theory of comparative advantage that is central to modern trade theories? The answer is C. Thomas Malthus. What is a blender's blade system called? The answer is B. Impeller. Unlike theories, which are proved true, what are often falsified? The answer is A. Hypotheses. What is the executive chef of the kitchen called? The answer is C. Chef de cuisine. What was the nickname of NFL Hall of Famer Reggie White? The answer is A, the Minister of Defense. Which is not a part of DNA structure? The answer is D, fatty acid. What is the study of living organisms called? The answer is B, geology. What is the law that states price and quantity supplied will change directly? The answer is B, law of supply. In Michelangelo's scenes on the Sistine Chapel ceiling, which pair is depicted in the panel titled Temptation and Expulsion? The answer is A, Adam and Eve. What is the study of living organisms' behavior called? The answer is C, ethology. What is the value of 10⁴? The answer is D, 100,000. Who coaches the ice skating girl who switches sides at the end of For Your Eyes Only? The answer is D, Jacoba Brink. Which sport involves curling stones? The answer is D, curling. Birds eat non-camouflaged moths at a higher rate than they eat camouflaged moths. In which situation would birds eat the moths at the slowest rate? The answer is D, light moths in a light environment. What creates a valley?
The answer is C, water.
Which actress portrayed Cosmo's mother, Babs Kramer, on Seinfeld?